Traditional organizations have operated under a hierarchical structure where a few people or entities make the most important decisions and dictate the rules for the rest of the group. This centralized system has been the norm for centuries. But in the world of cryptocurrencies, a new way of organizing is emerging: Decentralized Autonomous Organizations, or DAOs for short. A DAO is an organization that operates without the need for a central authority. Instead of having a team of directors or managers making decisions, a DAO allows members to participate directly in the decision-making process. The rules and decisions are not dictated by a single person or group, but are managed by an autonomous system based on smart contracts that run on a blockchain. This makes DAOs completely transparent, democratic, and decentralized. The concept of a DAO originated from blockchain technology, the same technology that underpins cryptocurrencies. Blockchain allows transactions and decisions to be securely and transparently recorded, which in turn allows a DAO to operate without intermediaries or centralized authority. Everything that happens within a DAO is governed by a set of predefined rules embedded in smart contracts. Smart contracts are self-executing programs with a set of rules that the involved parties have previously agreed upon. In the case of a DAO, these contracts manage decision-making, fund allocation, and other essential functions of the organization. Since they are based on the blockchain, smart contracts are transparent and accessible to all members of the DAO, ensuring that all actions are verifiable and fair. One of the most notable features of a DAO is its decentralized governance structure. In a traditional organization, major decisions such as resource allocation, adoption of new strategies, or even a change in direction are made by a small group of people. In contrast, in a DAO, these processes are decided by the community members, who have the power to vote and actively participate in the development and management of the organization. This is achieved through the issuance of tokens that represent voting rights within the organization. DAO members can be anyone who holds tokens of that organization. Through their possession of these tokens, members can vote on proposals that affect the organization. For example, a DAO might be managing an investment fund, and its members might vote on which cryptocurrencies to buy or sell. Proposals that receive enough votes are approved and executed automatically by the smart contracts, making the process fast, efficient, and free from manipulation. DAOs have the potential to transform how we manage resources and make collective decisions. Due to their decentralized nature, DAOs remove traditional hierarchies and create a more inclusive system where all members have a voice in important decisions. This makes them especially attractive to those seeking a more democratic and transparent governance model. However, like any new technology, DAOs also face challenges. One of the main issues is security. Although smart contracts are secure by design, any flaws in their code can be exploited, potentially leading to loss of funds or unwanted manipulation. Additionally, the fact that DAOs do not have a centralized structure can make it difficult for members to make quick decisions during a crisis. Sometimes, decisions can be stalled due to a lack of consensus among members. Despite these challenges, DAOs remain one of the most exciting innovations in the world of cryptocurrencies and blockchain. They are designed to be transparent, democratic, and most importantly, decentralized, allowing people to come together and collaborate without relying on a central authority. DAOs can be involved in a variety of activities, from governance of investment funds to management of voting platforms and community-driven projects. In conclusion, decentralized autonomous organizations represent the future of organizations in the digital world. By allowing people to actively participate in decision-making and manage resources collectively and decentralizing power, DAOs are redefining the concept of governance and opening up new possibilities for participation and power in the global economy. As DAOs become more common, we are likely to see more examples of their use and adoption across various sectors of the economy, from finance to culture and beyond.